Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Google Drive to share videos. First, you want to open Google Drive. Then you're going to tap on the plus to upload the video. So you're going to tap on the plus in the bottom right hand corner. Then select Upload File. From here, you're going to select Photos and Videos. After doing that, you're going to select the video you would like to share. Then you're going to tap on Upload in the top right hand corner. Once it has been uploaded, you're going to simply pull down from the top of the screen to refresh it, and you're going to see the video that you have uploaded. Then you're going to tap on the three dots in line with the video name, and you're going to see the option Copy Link. You can tap on that. Once you have copied the link, you'll now be able to paste it on any social media platform to share it. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.